Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Economic data can look messy, but we will solve this fast. Let's find the right policy for this country in just 3 simple steps. First, we calculate the actual real GDP for 2021. Since it is the base year, the nominal GDP of $500 billion equals the real GDP. Let's keep moving. Next, compare that to the potential output of $400 billion. Because actual GDP is higher, the economy is facing an inflationary gap. We need a contractionary policy to fix this. To restore full employment, the government must reduce spending or increase taxes. This makes option D the correct choice for our final answer. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and watch signs to trust given data and check steps.